everyone, thanks for watching. Today we are opening up the August Allure Beauty Box. We will also be chatting quickly about some upcoming changes, including a price hike, and we can discuss what we think of that. And then at the end of the video, I will quickly review the products from July. Before we get started, I just want to take a quick moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I open subscription boxes every single day here in our channel. So if you love beauty boxes and subscription boxes as much as I do, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. We actually have a 10,000 subscriber giveaway going on. It's a big thank you to you guys for all your love and support. So if you guys have not yet checked that out and entered, I will link that at the end of this video. So you can just click that once you're done watching this. But now let's get into Allure. So currently Allure is $15 a month, and in the current box you're supposed to get at least 2 full-size products, and the total value is at least $70. Recently Allure announced that they are going to be making some changes. Some people received an email. I ordered my Allure through Amazon and I haven't gotten any actual email or information directly towards me, but I did look it up. So starting in October, Allure is going to cost $23 a month, so it's increasing by $8. That's kind of a lot. But they say you're supposed to get at least 6 products with a value of at least $100, and 3 of the products are supposed to be full size. They say 3 or more. And then they say you'll also get like special offers or discounts, like I don't know, I guess you can like buy some stuff for a discount and there might be some like events. I don't know. Those things don't really add much value to subscriptions for me. So I don't know, $8 is a big increase for what I think is not too big of a change. So we already get at least 2 full-size products and now they're just guaranteeing 3. I guess we're supposed to get a higher value, but I don't know. It seems like a lot of people are thinking about canceling their subscription. I think I'm at least give it a shot and see, like, you know, if the changes are worth it, but I would love to know your thoughts down below. But yeah, that's it for the changes. Now let's get into the August box. So as usual, this is what it looks like when you open it. You got a little pamphlet and all the items are wrapped in some tissue paper. Let's do a little sneak peek here. And it looks like the theme for August is on balance. So inside they do provide like full-size pricing for the items. Also, for some of them you'll get a promo code. And then the editors talk about why they chose the item. They don't really discuss like item specific, like, or product details I should say. But let's get started with what I believe is a full-size item by Pixi. This is the Pixi Skin Treats Rose Oil Blend. This is a nourishing face oil. Yep, this has to be full size. It's 1 fluid ounce. So I've heard great things about Pixi skincare. Really, all I've tried by Pixi is their Glow Mist, and I've gone through like 3 bottles of those. I really like it, so I am intrigued. Let's look at this. Oh, at first I thought there's 2 things inside here, but the little applicator is just separate. So here is the actual bottle, and then it's just capped for transport, and then it's a dropper. So it says rich source of botanical oils and vitamin E that help preserve and nourish the skin. It's for all skin types. It says you can use this morning and night to massage 2 or 3 drops into cleansed toned skin. For extra hydration and glow, add 1 to 2 drops to your moisturizer before applying. So I know some people don't like the scent of rose, so let's see if this is fragranced. Oh, there's a stopper in here too. You know, it doesn't really smell strongly of rose. Maybe a little bit, but yeah, not strong. It smells like just skincare. So let's put a little bit on the back of my hand. So this costs $24. Isn't that kind of a lot for Pixi? I guess Pixi's like mid-range. Like some people call it drugstore because it's sold at Target, but I was thinking it would be more like $16. So I put a little drop on my hand. Let's see. Ooh, that definitely feels very nourishing and for sure gives a glow. Look at the difference between my hands. This is the one. So it feels really nice. So nice. I like oils, so I will definitely try this out and let you know what I think of it next month in my review. The next item, it looks like this is by Floss. I believe I discovered the brand Floss through Allure. I got a gloss by them, which randomly I just have here. I don't know if this is the exact one, but I just had this on my desk. I didn't even use this today. I think I used it like a few days ago. But anyways, this is the Floss Brighten Up Highlighter Illuminator, and it is in the shade Sunlit. So here is the packaging. So this seems like it would be full size to me. How much product do you get in here? You get 4 grams. Even if it's not, I'm totally cool with this size, but whatever the full size is $20, and this looks like it'd be a pretty shade. I definitely am not in any need of any more highlighters, but so that's on my finger. I probably should have gotten the oil off first, but it's okay. Oh, yeah, let me clean my hand. So it feels super soft and buttery, and that looks actually really pretty. I'm excited that we got this. We haven't been getting too much makeup in Allure recently, so super excited about this. We have 4 things left. Next, it looks like this is a bar of soap. Oh, and this is by Erno Laszlo. Unfortunately, a brand I consider not to be cruelty-free, so I will pass this on. But this is their famous black soap Sea Mud Deep Cleansing Bar. Not your average cleansing bar. Our iconic cleansing bar boasts the uniquely therapeutic benefits of Sea Mud, a miracle of nature loaded with 26 minerals to deeply cleanse, exfoliate, and balance the skin. Perfect for blemished, oily, or stressed out complexion, this bar leaves skin soft, smooth, and radiant. And this may be considered a full size. I'm not sure. 50 grams. Let's see if I can figure it out in here. Yeah, I don't know, but it says the price is $38. The next item, this is definitely a deluxe size. This is by Wish. It says Powerfully Effective Naturals Botanical Primer with bakuchiol, and that is like supposed to be a plant-derived version of retinol. I don't think there's many studies like comparing them or in general that I'm aware of. If anyone knows differently, please let me know. But anyways, it says it's skin balancing and reduces environmental stress. Suffering from dry skin and huge pores left from drying makeup, this natural botanical primer not only minimizes pores and even skin tone, but it also leaves skin feeling moisturized and dewy looking. You'll be left with radiant, moisturized, and ready for the day ahead. So it balances skin, protects, and moisturizes. Next up, it looks like, I think the brand is H2O, Hydration Sensitive Gel Cream. Helps to calm the appearance of redness and locks in skin moisture to increase hydration for dewy, healthy looking skin. It's specifically created with sensitive skin in mind, helps to hydrate and soften sensitive skin, a velvety, smooth gel texture, quenches skin, providing optimal moisture. And this is what it looks like. I love how it has a purple cap. Very cute. Oh, actually there's 2 more left. There's something at the very bottom I thought was just the packaging. But let's start with this. So, Solwasu, hopefully I'm saying that right or is kind of correct. First Care Activating Serum. So it looks like this might be like Korean skincare, Japanese. Let's see. This serum improves major signs of aging while boosting your routine, featuring Hoam Balancing Complex, a cocktail of 5 Korean herbs that soothe, nourish, and firms for a healthy glow. After a facial wash in the morning and evening, you pump 2 to 3 times onto the palm and apply with fingertips. Great, so we have a serum. I am very much into Korean skincare. I've never heard of this one. Whoa, the full size would be $84. And sorry, I didn't tell you what the full size of the last items were. So for the H2O moisturizer, the full size would be $42. And for the Wish Botanical Primer, the full size would be $44. Look how cute this is. So activating serum. So I just wanted to know a little bit more about this. The editor loves this because it provides hydration and brightening effects and is great for her dehydrated and hyperpigmented skin and gives her a subtle glow that she loves. And the last item, I think this is really cool packaging. I believe this is a sheet mask. Yep, it's a brightening lift up perfect fit mask. A brilliant layering system gives the skin a brighter tone, and the Vita 3 complex of this brightening mask provides the skin with clear, shining moisture. Isn't this so cool? It's like artwork on the sheet mask. I'm trying to gravitate away from sheet masks just because, you know, they're wasteful. But I will definitely try this out. It says it leaves your skin glowy and brighter. It has vitamin C and niacinamide, 2 ingredients I love, and this is $3. And what is the brand? This is by Looks and Me. So that was everything. It seems like we did get a lot of stuff, but the full-size items, from what I could tell, I don't know if you count the sheet mask, I mean it's only $3, but we have our Pixi skincare product and our one makeup item. Well, I guess, I don't know, do you guys consider primer makeup or do you consider like a skincare step? I don't know. But the floss highlight. So I think I'm definitely the most excited for these two, but I believe I'm able to use everything except this Erno Laszlo soap, which also may be full size. So yeah, not the worst box, not the best box. I do think it is better than last month because there's more items I will use, and it seems like we got more in the box in general. But yeah, so for $15, I definitely think this box is worth it. You guys have to let me know your thoughts, and again, let me know your thoughts on this upcoming changes. I feel like all of the subscription, like the beauty boxes, have kind of had a price hike. I'm like trying to think what one hasn't yet. But hopefully this one is worth it, because when Ipsy went from 10 to 12, I totally thought that was worth it, because I would have already paid $12 for Ipsy, but I don't know if I would pay $23 for Allure. Like some months for sure, other months not. Like Allure is definitely one of those like hit or miss, but it is definitely a beauty box I recommend for $15. So yeah, I'm just so curious to see what's going to happen. But anyways, let's transition now into the review for July. For a second I forgot what month it was. So I kind of already alluded to that I think this month was better than last. So last month the main thing we got was by Peach and Lily, and that is by far my favorite item. I don't have everything in front of me, but I'll like leave a picture up on the screen. And here's the Peach and Lily serum. I love this serum. I think it's great. I heard so many people rave about it. So that was definitely like the main star of the box. Everything else like was kind of lame. So we got all other deluxe size, and there were definitely less. Like we have a bunch of items. I think we got like 5. So I'm guessing the other full size item last month was this Beautinique butter lip and cheek balm, and I'm just not really into those multi-purpose things that you put on your lip and cheek, and some even say you can put on your eyes. I honestly haven't reached for that, but yeah, last month was just, you know, lame for me, I guess I should say. There's 5 items. One of them was by Dr. Jart, which is not cruelty free. And we got OC or O'Shea cleanser, Ocean cleanser, which I actually already have, and I've been using the full size because opening last month's box reminded me of it, so it's in my shower. It's just like a gentle cleanser, it's fine. But yeah, so last month wasn't that exciting. I definitely think this month is better, but still doesn't like, you know, blow my mind and amazingness or anything like that. So yeah, I really want to see what Allure is going to give us going forward, but that is that for today. Thank you guys so much for being here and watching. Thank you to my channel members. Your support means so much to me. If you guys are interested in channel membership, there's always a link down below that will give you more information on that. And thank you just for being here and watching. That really does help me out, and I appreciate you so much. I hope you guys are all safe and healthy. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.